Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the replicate effect in DaVinci Resolve. Basically, it is going to be a standard and basic process. So we are going to head over our DaVinci project, as we see here. Now, what are we going to do is to add the video into the workspace. So from this video, as you can see here, it is set on our timeline. Now we are going to click on the effects here at the header. Click on the effects. And now we are going to click on search. So now we are going to type in transform. And then normally we are going to see it in this case. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So we are going to see the toolbox for the effects. We are going to head over the open effects. And here we have it. This is the transform. So we are going to drag and drop it into our clip. So once you have drag and drop it, as you can see, the color of the clip has been changed. So now I'm going to drop down here the toolbox. So I do not need it anymore. Now we are going to see this specific area, which is going to be the inspector. So you can go ahead and click on the inspector to open this area. So we are going to click on the effects and make sure that you are going to click on open effects. So make sure that transform is going to be enabled. So what are we going to do here is to scroll down until we see the advanced options. Click on here and we're going to select edge behavior. Click on here, we have the drop down menu. Obviously, we are going to head over the wraparound. Click on it and let everything here. So we are going to see the replicate effect whenever we are going to zoom out. So when I'm going to zoom out a little bit, as you can see, we're going to see the replicate effect pushing in here. So how we can make this as an animation or an effect in the actual video. So we are going to set up some tags or some timelines. Now I'm going to let the video play here until we are going to be satisfied, for example, like this. And now what I am going to do is to click on as you can see on the zoom here, I'm going to put a tag, click on here. Now what I am going to do is to head over a little bit right there till this part. And we are going to make a little bit of zoom out. So we are going to choose to zoom out until this phase. I think this is better. And from here, we are going to head over this place. And I am going to put another zoom, which is going to end into the last clip of the video to the original image. So we are going to be in here from the beginning. Now let's see the result. Look, here this is the first part. The de-zoom or the zoom out, then the last part, which is going to be the zoom in. Boom. And this is how we can make the replicate effect in DaVinci Resolve. That was all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.